Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your domain's CNAME record doesn't point to Shopify. This is a very common problem. This happens especially when we are trying to connect your own domain for the first time. Like a lot of new Shopify users don't know this. You need to wait 24 hours, like 48 hours actually, for this to affect your store. Like even if you see that error, it will clear on itself. Okay, it will clear on its own. After 48 hours you can see that error, and even after 48 hours, if your website works perfectly, you don't really need to worry about that error because it will clear on its own. Okay, so but you will have to check this, like make sure the address, like Shopify address, you can just copy this. Okay, copy these settings. I'm going to show you guys the settings that you need to check, like your DNS settings. You just need to go to here. Okay, as you probably already know, you want to click on domains here, and first you want to click on settings and domains, and click on the domain where you have a problem, and make sure you like add these. Okay, for example, www, which is going to be your CNAME record. Okay, shops.myshopify.com. Here make sure the Shopify IPv6 address is the same as this address, as you can see, and also IPv4 address is the same as this. Okay, just copy these exact information so that your domain will point to Shopify. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. If it's not allowing you guys to change the CNAME record, which is going to happen to a lot of people, it's not going to allow you to do that. But you don't have to worry about it. Just need to wait a few hours, like 48 hours, and then you will be able to make changes, or you will be able to change the CNAME record. Okay, so that's exactly what you guys need to do. Just need to give it some time because it's going to take some time. Okay, Shopify itself says that you have to wait 48 hours for this to make an effect. Okay, so you have to guys to wait, and after that you will be able to change CNAME record if it's not pointing to Shopify. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, guys. If you have any questions, all I do, guys, on this Shopify, on this channel, is Shopify tutorials. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next tutorial. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure you click the video in the screen to learn more about how you can fix these errors on Shopify when it comes to domains. Okay, so click the video in the screen and learn more about connecting your domain to Shopify.